Alright, be honest. You want to pull up to a date, a business meeting, or just your local Starbucks and have people think, damn, that guy got money. Today, I'm about to put you on the cheapest cars that make you look like you're ballin'. And no, I'm not talking about some 20-year-old busted Mercedes that costs more in repairs than your rent. I mean cars that are reliable, stylish, and underpriced for the flex they bring. Let's go. Number 1, the Jaguar XF from 2010 and 2015. You see a Jaguar, you think money. But guess what? You can get one of these for under $8,000. That's less than a used Honda Civic. And the best part, if you keep it maintained, it actually holds up pretty well. The design looks sleek, and let's be real, most people have no idea what year a Jaguar is. They just see the badge and assume you're making CEO moves. Pro tip, get one in black or dark gray. That's how you maximize the stealth weld aesthetic. Number 2, Chrysler 300 from 2015 and present. This car is basically a budget Rolls Royce. Big body, aggressive front grille, a luxury interior that looks like it belongs in a car twice the price, and the best part, you can find a used one for $12,000 or less. That's nothing for a car that makes you look like you just signed a deal with Warner Bros. Plus, throw some tinted windows on it, game over. Number 3, Audi A5 Coupe from 2010 to 2017. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bro, an Audi? That's expensive. No, not really. See, while everyone is out chasing an S-Class they can afford, you grab a clean Audi A5 for $10,000 to $15,000. And here's the trick, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a lifestyle. When people see an Audi, they don't think car guy. They think this dude got his life together. You roll up in one of these and suddenly your rent payment struggles disappear. At least in other people's minds. Number 4, the Lexus LS 460 from 2007 to 2017. This is the sleeper pick. Because while BMW and Mercedes guys are busy explaining why their cars are always in the shop, you're chilling. It's quiet, it's comfortable, and the best part, people assume it costs way more than it actually does. You can grab one for $9,000 to $14,000, and unlike most rich guy cars, it won't break down every other month. This is old money vibes on a budget. Number 5, the Maserati Ghibli from 2014 to 2016. Alright, this one, a little risky, but stay with me. Yes, Maseratis are known for iffy reliability. Yes, maintenance is a bit of a pain, but here's the deal, you can find a Ghibli for under 20k. And there's no other car at that price that flexes like a Maserati. It's got the Ferrari designed engine, the aggressive styling, and the name. People don't care if it's used. They see a Maserati and assume you're printing money. Just make sure you have a little saving for maintenance. But owning the car is only half the game. You want to look like you got money? Here's the play. Keep it clean. Dirty luxury looks broke. Simple as that. Get good wheels. $1,000 set of wheels can make a cheap car look 10 times more expensive. And tint the windows. Adds mystery. Looks premium. Costs almost nothing. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much you spend, it's about how much they think you spend. Now, go still responsibly. Drop a comment, which one would you drive? Or do you know a better cheap flex? Let me know. And subscribe if you want more money smart car game.